Hi there, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you how to use the boring needle for cutwork designs. Let's get started. This is the boring needle and you have to remove the safety cap from the needle. This needle is used for the cutwork designs in embroidery, and changing the needle is a very simple procedure. All you need is just a simple screwdriver. So to change the needle, first you should loosen the needle screw with the help of a screwdriver, and now replace the needle with the boring needle. Once it's replaced, just tighten the needle screw and it's done. So, now you need to go to setting option here. As you can see, we have a list of various options here, but for now we need to choose this option called needle of boring. Here I am choosing the needle number as 1, since it's placed in number 1 position. Now just save and exit. Now I am selecting this cutwork design for the demonstration here. Once the design is selected, we need to assign the needles for the design. Here this design requires 3 colors to complete the stitch. So first I am going to assign the normal stitching needle for the outline work. Since boring needle is in number 1 needle position, I am selecting as number 1 for boring needle. For the last color you can select any of the color you want as per your need. You always need to make sure that you have assigned the needle properly, so the design won't get messed up. So after everything is set, just press the green button to start. So this is how the complete cutwork design looks after the stitch.